Today I'll show you how to use virtual desktops in Windows 11 to organize your work, separate different tasks, and keep your desktop clutter-free. If you often have too many apps and windows open at the same time, virtual desktops can help you stay organized by creating multiple workspaces on the same computer. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. To create a new virtual desktop, press Windows plus Tab on your keyboard. This opens Task View. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see your current desktop. Click the plus icon labeled New Desktop to create another desktop. You can now switch between desktops by opening Task View again and selecting the desktop you want to use. There's also a faster way. Press Windows plus Control plus right arrow to move to the desktop on the right, or Windows plus Control plus left arrow to move to the desktop on the left. For example, you could keep all your work applications on Desktop 1, your personal apps on Desktop 2, and entertainment apps on Desktop 3. You can also move apps between desktops. Find the window you want to move, then drag and drop it onto another desktop. Alternatively, right-click the window and choose Move To, then select the destination desktop. Windows 11 also lets you rename your desktops. Click the desktop name and type a new name such as Work, School, Gaming, or Personal. This makes it much easier to identify each workspace. You can even customize each desktop with a different wallpaper. Right-click the desktop you want to customize and select Choose Background. Then pick a different wallpaper for that desktop. This gives each workspace its own visual identity. When you're done with the desktop, open Task View, hover over the desktop, and click the X button to close it. Don't worry, any open applications won't be closed. Windows will simply move them to another desktop, and that's how you use virtual desktops in Windows 11. They're a simple but powerful way to stay organized, improve productivity, and manage multiple projects without filling up a single desktop with dozens of windows.